Hi everyone, my name's Hannah. I'm a first year student here at the University of Washington and also one of the student videographers for Housing and Food Services. This is our new vlog series, and today I just wanted to introduce myself so that you guys get to know a little bit about me, also give a little tour of our 3-person suite, and take a look at some of the chalkboards that line the walls of Willow Hall. So first things first, to get to know about me, I am a 3rd generation UW student, which is really cool because my dad and my grandpa went here before me. They both took medical/dental routes, but don't think I'm gonna do that. Still cool though to be at the campus that they also went to as well. I also am an only child, so I've had an interesting transition from having my own room and basically never sharing anything to living in a 3-person suite with 2 other girls, but it's been a really great time and I'm really lucky to have my 2 roommates, Lori and Cyril. They're really great. Also, as you can tell from me videoing this, is I really love photo and video. I've been doing it ever since I was little, and it gives me really great opportunities, like 2 years ago when I got to work on a national campaign against cyberbullying with AT&T and some other students from my school. So now I want to give you guys a tour of our room and how we have maximized our space and utilized our resources. Each of us in our room have our own little spaces. In my space, my bed is lofted the second highest you can have it up because I wanted to decorate my walls and not be completely high up to the ceiling. I have my Seattle art print, which is a hand-drawn map of Seattle. I really like that, as well as some other art prints that I've taped up along the walls. I also have these really cute 2 shelves that I bought from Urban Outfitters. They don't hold a lot of weight, but I put my cute little Baymax character up there as well as my air plant named Blossom. And I also have a cork board with a bunch of photos of my friends. My bedspread itself is gray sheets, a white comforter, and a pink kind of blush fuzzy throw blanket. If you look at the difference between my bed and Lori and Cyril's bed, Cyril's is very similar to mine except she has her desk underneath her bed. My desk is outside of my bed, it's right next to it, and it has a lot of stuff on it that I use, like supplies, and then the lower level is more stuff I use on a day-to-day basis, like my planner, my bullet journal, my laptop, and my cup that HFS actually gave us. It's reusable and you can get free drinks in the dining halls with it, which is really great. Lori's bed's a little different. She has her bed lower to the ground than Cyril and I do, but she still has storage underneath for clothes, shoes, and other items. I decided to loft my bed so that I could maximize my space in the smaller room with 3 people, and so I actually have a pegboard with more supplies, and then I also keep my side dresser, my hamper, and a 4-cube shelf underneath there as well. The cube shelf just holds some extra clothes that didn't fit in my closet, which is really nice because I have this extra space where I can put my clothes, and then on top of it there's still room to put baskets on top, which I contain cleaning supplies, plates, bowls, and other stuff that I use for eating. We also have a Keurig and a fridge, as well as a printer, which is really nice because we kind of all decided who's gonna bring what, and we don't have to leave the room if we want to print something. We can just print it right in our room, which is really nice. As far as the closets go, there's 3 huge closets, which are actually way bigger than I thought they would be when I packed all my stuff. So I fit all my clothes in there besides like my pants, and I keep all my shoes in the bottom drawer, which is really helpful. And all 3 of us have our own closet space. We don't have to share, and it's nice because it's in the hallway, it's out of the way. It's definitely been an adjustment getting used to sharing a bathroom with 3 girls. We communicate very well, and so I think we do a really good job with planning who's getting ready when for bed or for the day, and then also taking showers. It's nice we have a toilet, a sink with storage underneath, and then a shower as well, and 3 shower caddies, which help us contain all our stuff in our own little space. Okay, so right now we're gonna go look at some chalk art. So the cool thing about the chalkboards is I think it really builds the community in our residence hall, and this is just like one of the examples of this. It says knock knock, who's there? Us. Come in anytime. I think that's really cool. Okay, we're here with Dalbeer.
Hello.
Go ahead and explain what we got going on here.
Okay, so basically this is a really nice chalk wall that we got in front of our room, and so we decided to approach this more creatively and intellectually. So we decided to make some animals based off the bone structure of our hands. Our neighbors decided to use a vine for their chalk space.
Ours is still better though.
Debatable.
As you can see in Willow Hall, we really like our Vine references. So you just gonna bring me a birthday gift on my birthday, to my birthday party on my birthday with a birthday gift, and then another meme. What is this?
Skippy.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This one's pretty good. I like this one. Chance the Raptor, Eminem, Tiger the Creator, aka Tyga, 2 Cranes, Young Pug, Machine Gun Shelly, Giraffe, Riff Raff, and Pharrell Williams. Well, it says they've cried 7 times and we've only had school for 3 days. So let's just question that one. Tell us about your chalk art.
Well, go ahead, Lucy.
I don't know what to say.
I know, it leaves us speechless, that's
Yeah.
what. We thought of this theme because Winnie is named Winnie the Pooh, and I'm also named Chris, so we're like, okay, that kind of works. Everyone else are just like, whatever.
Yeah. No one else has to do with it.
A clever name.
I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog today and the tour of our 3-person suite, as well as the look at some of the chalkboards and the other people living in our hall. Make sure to comment below and let me know which chalkboard you liked the most. I'm curious to know. And also make sure to subscribe so that you see all our future vlogs and content to see what it's like to live at UW. Bye!